Biriu is one of the three Kalash Valleys in District Chitral, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province, Pakistan. SUWI Travel here in this part of the world let you go a very beautiful small valley some 45 km from Chitral, a 2 hours drive on a bumpy dirt road. The main villages are Guru, Grampatgol, Bishal and Aspal. It's rarely visited by the tourists, so if one wants to enjoy the pagan culture of Kalash, especially for the anthropologists and photographers, they should visit the valley. I must recommend to visit this beautiful place.
Along the way towards a new place called Birir, famous for having Kalasha culture. So now it's time to explore this new place with the gentleman, our uncle of Sarali, all along the way with the gentleman Shafiullah. And here we make our vehicle ready for the trip. Town Chitral, all the way, made our vehicle completely fine, and now it's time to explore the new area.
Here it comes, Ayun, the heart of Chitral. Ayun is a village and administrative unit in Chitral District, located 12 kilometers south of Chitral. It is situated at the junction of the Chitral and Bumburet rivers. The town is surrounded by mountains.
very beautiful journey along with my uncle Afsar Ali and my brother Shafiullah, the gentleman. And Afsar Ali Mamour is very much exciting. He has been driving amazingly, and we have crossed Ayun just early, so we are left with 20 kilometers for Birir Valley. Hope for the best. We reached in Benisar of Ayun Valley. Now we are left with 7 kilometers way towards Birir Valley. We are in the final phase of our journey. And very soon we will be reaching Birir Valley.
Here it comes, Birir the Kalash Valley of Chitral.
Finally, after covering 20 kilometers from Ayun Valley, we reached here in Birir Valley. It's amazing place. I haven't explored the areas, the villages. I see a boat right here. This very boat leads to Aspar village, which is comprising of traditional houses, bashali, dastakhan and things like that. We are here in this amazing place of Biriu Valley. This very place name is Grambat Gol village. It's so nice. We see traditional houses and all the way. Now we are here in Guru village of Biriu Valley. Just you can see the traditional houses right here again. The beauty is overloaded in this beautiful place, covering with beautiful green trees all the way to the peak. Here in this part of the world, Birir, among the top most beautiful valleys in Chitral, the Kalasha culture, which is famous here in this part of the world. Now, after exploring a couple of areas of Birir Valley, we are on the way for more exploring.
The natural beauty is overloaded here in this part of the world, Birir the Kalash Valley in Chitral. Trees give peace to the souls of men. We are here at the very last village of Biriu Valley. I'm really much excited for today's event. Our friends have planned to make a musical night for us. Here we go, let's see what's there.